Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a slow file copy speed in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video, just to copy and paste it and press enter. After finishing this command, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, you just need to change back to normal. Just to copy and paste the change back to normal command and paste it and press enter. After finishing this command, just to close stuff here. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services, you just need to find optimize drive service. Just double click on it. Startup type, set this to automatic and start the service. And select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to find a Windows search service. Just double click on it. Startup type, set this to disabled and stop the service and select apply and OK. Now you just need to close stuff here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type tan Windows features on or off. Click on open it. In here you just need to find the remote differential compression API support. Just uncheck this box guys. After that click on OK and just now you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Click on open it. Under performance, select settings. You just need to select adjust to best performance and select apply and OK for save changes. After that, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 5, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. You just need to expand the disk drives and you just need to right click on the external device. In here you can able to see flash disk USB device. Just right click on it and select properties. Select policies and go select this better performance option and check mark enable write caching on the device and select OK and select OK option. And now just to close stuff here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.